ima čudesnu moć da svetlom ispuni noć, belinom osmeha svog razgoni tugu. On ljubav svakome da i vrata otvara svako, stari voljeni drug uvek je on. Beograde, 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 na ušću dveju reka ispod Davale.
Belgrade is one of the oldest cities in Europe, founded by Celts as Ingidunum in 3rd century BC. It is the capital and the largest city of Serbia. Belgrade is also the capital of Serbian culture, education, science and economy. The city is located at the confluence of Sava and Danube River. Although the weather can change abruptly, the climate in Belgrade is moderate continental one. If you have the good fortune to visit Belgrade someday, be sure not to skip some of the most beautiful sights in our city.
Mihajlo Street is one of the most prominent landmarks of the city. It is the main pedestrian and shopping zone in Belgrade. This long street is named after the Prince of Serbia Mihajlo Obrenović, who is said to be the most enlightened rulers of modern Serbia. Today, it is one of the busiest and the most beautiful streets in Belgrade. The statue of Prince Mihajlo, which is easy enough to spot, is located at the nearby Liberty Square.
This is Belgrade Fortress, the most important cultural and historical complex in Belgrade. It consists of the old citadel and a Kalemegdan Park. The course of history, this place was a field of many battles and the witness to the courage of its defenders. This is a place where Belgrade started to develop. It commands a spectacular view of the confluence of Sava and Danube rivers, as well as the Great Fort Island, which is a haven for wildlife. Belgrade Fortress is known for its lagoons, corridors and catacombs, which are still largely unexplored.
You can largely enrich your experience of staying in Belgrade by visiting the Church of Saint Sava. It's one of the largest Orthodox churches in the world, located on Račan Hill. The construction of the church begins in 1935. The church holds a dominant position in Belgrade cityscape and it's visible from all approaches to the city. It's mostly complete. However, work is still being done and on the internal decoration, and there isn't even a rough estimate of how long it's going to take to finish it.
New Belgrade is a part of the city of Belgrade, built in 1947 in a previously uninhabited area on the left bank of the Sava River, and what follows in the 50s is a dramatic leap in number of people set in this area. New Belgrade is connected to the old part of the city by 6 bridges. It is a new business and financial center of Belgrade. Many companies move there due to more modern infrastructure and larger available space.
These were only a few Belgrade attractions. We are sure you will come up with a bundle of ideas of where to go and what to see in our city. When you came here, if your experience of Belgrade is like this, a blank piece of paper, be sure that you will be able to see and find out enough to write at least one book. Wish you a pleasant stay. Bye bye.
On ima čudesnu moć da svetlom ispuni noć, belinom osmeha svog razgoni tu.